So I literally just got this package and I had to run to the mailbox and grab it, and it was so cold. It's like 28 degrees out. So that was fun. So I gotta cut it open real quick. So first, I got some nail files for my sister for Christmas. I got some socks, which they look cute, to put in the goodie bags for the guys. I don't know what this is. Hold on. It's still so cold that it's still like really foggy, but it's to my stepmom Kayla. I don't know if you can read it, but it's really sweet and cute. And then, oh, I got some chain for earrings here. And what else? Oh, I got more socks. And I can't remember what this is. Let's see here real quick. Oh yeah, I remember. I got my sister some polynail kit. A polynail kit for her nails. For her to do them. But yeah, it comes with several solutions and, whoops, collars. If I can get it to load, because she likes makeup and stuff. Oh, there's one more. Is there anything else in there? No. I think, oh, there's one more. Hold on. So the package is definitely dented. Oh my gosh, I got this made for my stepmom as well, and it's pretty decent size. Oops. Oh, it's a little, it needs a little fixing. Let me see if I can fix this. There. It's so she can put her jewelry in, and it's a travel case since they do a lot of traveling and vacation. But this chain is really decent, and it's pretty long for the price I got for it, and I'm really happy with it because I was worried about getting it too small, but these are like perfect. Let me see if I can, there we go. Perfect. Ignore my Thanksgiving nails. I have not changed them, but they look really good, so I'm really happy. So I opened this to double check to see, and it's damaged. Like, it's all scratched up and beat up. I don't know if you can tell, so I don't know what I'm gonna do about that, but I gotta double check and make sure it works. Lucky for me that it still works. Thank goodness. But this is what all I got this time around. So I'm really happy with everything except this one got scuffed up. But yeah, that is what we got this time. So I noticed on the butterfly that it had damage. The jewelry box also had damage, dents, and abrasions. And then obviously the light also had scuffing and stuff. So I got a hold of them. They gave me a refund and I didn't have to return anything, but two of those items I pre-ordered for Christmas, and it's just sad that they got damaged. But the boxes were, kind of okay. Some of them were damaged. And obviously, it had to have been handling when it was shipped. But they were really nice, and I really appreciate them doing a refund for me. So, thanks for that. I appreciate